Hello Vincent, in this session we want to practice all the previous lessons together. Open 3D Max to get FBX export from the model. Please do all the steps with me. Now place the model exactly on the 0 point of the coordinate system. Check that the software unit is the same as the design unit. As I mentioned earlier, if your model is based on millimeters, the software unit should also be based on millimeters. After that, just assign a separate color to each surface. Surfaces with the same color here have the same material in Lumion. Well, it's time to export it. After that, select the scene in Lumion and import the model into it. Please pause the video and read the text. I forgot to layer this surface, so I opened my 3D file and modify it. If you make any change to your model, you can export it to a new file. Now hold the Alt key and click on the Re-import Model option. For this project, I need some materials including wood, white paint, grass, soil, glass and fabric. So let's make them together in order. For doing that, click on this option and select one of the model surfaces. You are watching the Lumion material library. Please review all the different categories of materials as an exercise. Each material has its settings. One of the reasons that renderings aren't in high quality is inappropriate settings or textures. Be sure to identify the high quality material of the Lumion library and create the rest yourself. The most important and practical option for us in this part is the standard. It is used to make the desired material. Double-click on the material to open its properties. Now change the degrees of these properties to see their effect on material. By adding a displacement map to the material, we make it more natural. After setting these two options, place the material right on the surface. Always use weathering for all materials and add the right amount of dirt to make the materials look natural. Use the transparency option to make material more natural when making fabric or any similar material. Finally, our material is made. I want to use it for another layer, so I copy and paste it there. In this way, you can save these materials and use them in custom materials. You can also save it to your laptop. And use load material to re-enter it. And confirm all changes at the end. Honestly, I use the material library to make water and glass. But you can use these options too. To hide the surface, you must use the invisible option. And use the important material option to restore it. I want to use foliage in the garden. can be used both on the ground and on the wall. In the following training sessions, we'll make other materials so that you can fully understand. And after completing the course, you will learn how to adjust the setting of the materials.